This is the R1, R2 link from Super Rod. We've got a PZ1 for your RCBOs and a PZ2 for your MCBs. That just goes straight in, and even recessed ones like this as well. Look, you just go in and turn it a little bit, and it's got a magnet as well on there, so old connection. It adds it adds 0.01 to it. It's negligible, nothing. And then look, even really recessed ones as well. You can just push that in, give it a little turn, and the magnet holds it in there then as well. And then, you know, when you're going from your testing your lights to your sockets, you just literally push it out of one and move it in the other. That one does your RCBOs, and that one does your MCBs, the other one. You get two of them in the kit as well. Fed up with damaging the pins on your socket testers? This is the socket tester holder from Super Rod.
That is just sexy.